How can you quickly edit your videos for YouTube so your viewers remain engaged, energetic, and enjoy the viewing experience? In this video, you'll discover 5 cuts every YouTuber should know to make better videos. You'll learn what they are, how to use them, and why they are important. Basic cut. This is also known as the standard or hard cut and involves cutting from one scene to another without any kind of transition. For example, if you're watching clip A, after it ends, you cut directly to the beginning of clip B.
You simply place 2 video clips together without any transitions or any other editing.
This is a very basic style of editing without worrying about smooth transitions or visual meaning for your video. Jump cut. The jump cut allows you to quickly move forward in time by removing the dead space between video clips. For example, you might want to remove the pause between clips. Perhaps you want to remove a coughing between clips. You can also remove between clips.
Here's a video clip of one long take where I'll make multiple jump cuts on the clip to remove the dead spaces, then put them all together to make one short video clip. I'll make one jump cut here, remove this segment, then I'll make another cut here. So this is a jump cut right here. When I've finished making all the jump cuts, I simply push all the video clips together into one short clip.
This will not only shorten my video clip, but help keep viewers engaged throughout my video. Just don't use a jump cut in mid-sentence because it'll look awkward and have a jarring effect on your viewer. I often use it to string several sentences together or to jump from one scene to another. The purpose of your jump cut is that it keeps your video moving fast, so it's energetic and engaging for your viewer. J-cut. In a J-cut, the audio of the following shot overlaps the video from the preceding shot. The audio acts as a lead-in to the visual cut, so while the audience is still watching clip A, it starts hearing the audio from clip B.
Detach the audio from clip B, move the audio track to the end of clip A, then move clip B next to clip A. Now you'll notice that the audio begins at the end of clip A and continues through clip B. Now you know why it's called a J-cut, because it looks like the letter J.
L cuts and J cuts are incredibly useful transitions because switching from one scene to another can often be very disruptive for your audience. To stop this from happening, overlapping the audio or video helps bridge the gap. L cut. The L cut is a way of editing where the audio from the previous shot overlaps the video of the following shot.
The L cut is opposite to the J cut, so I'm going to move the audio so it begins in clip A, then continues into clip B. I can also add a fade at the end of the audio so it fades out as it comes into the second clip. Now you know why it's called an L cut, because it looks like the letter L on the timeline.
This means that even after the video of clip A has ended and that of clip B has started, this kind of cut allows a natural transition between scenes and keeps the video flowing. I can also use the L cut where I'm talking in one scene that overlaps into the next scene. Here's another example where the audio begins in clip A, then fades out in clip B, which is a different scene. Cutaway. This is an additional shot that cuts away from the main action and includes something else in the space, such as an object or location. For example, if you were cooking something on a stove, you could cut away to show a close-up of what's cooking. If you're slicing vegetables, you could show a close-up of the vegetables that you were slicing. Cutaway shots are a great way to guide your audience and make your videos more appealing. Now you know the 5 cuts every YouTuber should use to make better videos and keep your viewers watching longer. But how can you keep your viewers watching your entire video? Watch this video on the screen right now for 12 ways to keep your viewers watching your entire video on YouTube. You'll be glad you did.